steel beneath our boots tonight. Harbor breathing smoke and light. Gulls like scraps of weather, turning circles in the dark. Engines low as distant thunder, salt laid cold across our hands. And somewhere past the blackened water waited older, harder land. You stood beside the railing, storm asleep below the deck. The wind kept taking pieces of the words we hadn't said yet. But some crossings need no talking, thresholds need no name. Just two hearts leaning northward, while the sea erased the same. From ferries into firelight, we crossed into the blue. Steel and salt night around us, every mile pulling true. From ferries into firelight, the old world fell behind, and the north stepped out of darkness, like a vow we'd always find. Cabin lamps and harbor echoes, wet ropes, diesel, moving sky. A different kind of silence, where the deeper feelings lie. Not soft, not cruel, just honest. The way cold water speaks, as if the sea itself was asking what we meant to keep. So let the gangway thunder, let the shoreline drift away. Love is not made smaller by the roughness of the day. We came for more than scenery, more than roads and foreign names. We came to meet the weather and come back changed the same. From ferries into firelight, we crossed into the blue. Your hand in mine, the harbor fading, storm still dreaming too. From ferries into firelight, the dark grew wide and clean, and somewhere in that moving night, the north became our theme.